Hello everybody. Today I will solve the quadratic function question from the Edexcel past papers. Now I want to explain something is important. Quadratic function question in which syllabus IB, GCSE or the Edexcel, same question we will see. Okay, don't worry about that. And on the left side of the equation, 4x squared plus 8x plus 3, and they want us to write in that form. This form is called the vertex form. Do you remember? Vertex form, f of x equals to a times this a is the in general form, same a, x minus v, and I mean the x component of the vertex, all together square, plus y component of the vertex. Find ABC. I want to clarify something is very important. F of x equals to ax squared plus bx plus c is general form. This BC is different than our BC. Okay, it is very important. This coefficient of a coefficient of the plus b in this the form plus b means the vertex form, negative x component of the vertex form, and c is the y component of the vertex form. But this ABC is the coefficient of the x squared. A is 4, b is 8, and c is 3. How we find the vertex form of the x component of the vertex? Negative b over 2a. Okay, then x going to be negative 1. To figure out the y component of the vertex form, we need to use the function, original function. Don't forget vy equals to f of vertex x component. So just plug the negative 1 into equation. Carefully do the mathematics and you will figure out negative 1. Don't forget, b is not the vx, so we will go to figure out the b. Clearly b equals to 1. So our form should be like that. Okay, move on to the next part of the question. Draw the graph of function. Okay, now I want to use this form, general form, to easily find what I need. Do you remember? We need a vertex. We just find it out on the part A. Then, and A equals to coefficient of the x squared, is the greater than 4, 0, so it is concave up. The graph look like this. Now, obviously we need to what? Y-intercept and x-intercept. Y-intercept means x equals 0 on the y-axis. It is easy part. We can use the either form, doesn't matter. I prefer right now the vertex form. So f of 0 equals 3. It means the y-intercept of the graph equals to 3. Then we need to find the x-intercept as well, where y equals 0 on the x-axis. So if we continue that, you can see the equation. Right now, do you remember we need to use the A component, B component, and C component, because we have a formula booklet and everything clearly explained there. We need to figure out the discriminant. Discriminant equals to b squared minus 4ac. So here b is the 8, 8 squared minus 4 times 4 times 3. It means the 64 minus 48, then obviously 16. And let's remember the roots, the formula. Do you remember? If you couldn't remember, it is on the formula book that square root discriminant equals to 4. So x1 is the example I want to solve. Minus 4 plus minus 4 here, minus 8 here, plus 4 come from the discriminant part, divided by 2 times a. So x1 going to be negative half, x2 is going to be negative 3 over 2. So I figure out everything what I need. When we need to draw, okay, we expect as a teacher you draw like that. What is the important? This part, vertex part. This is the negative half, because you can draw in between negative 1 and negative 2. For the negative 3 over 2, same thing you can do. But don't forget y equals 3 point. Very important. You need to show it. You need to label it. Okay, thank you very much for listening.